Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making paneer curry. Paneer is a delicious type of cheese that's quite similar to halloumi in that it doesn't actually melt when you heat it up. Okay, now that I think about it, I think it's quite similar in texture to halloumi as well, and in taste, it's just less saltier. So I'm using Naheedas Book to make this recipe, and I came across Naheedas Book last year when my friend shared her Instagram page with me, and honestly I am so happy I bought this book. It's such a great book, especially if you're a beginner when it comes to making curries. Making curries can be so overwhelming, but following the recipes in this book makes it much easier. There's step-by-step pictures to go with the instructions. I remember when I first got this book, I was so excited. I even bought one for my sister-in-law and gifted one to her too. I leave the link to her website in the description box below so you can go and check it out. Add a tablespoon of oil to a hot pan to fry the paneer. You can buy the paneer in a block or you can buy it pre-cut as well. I bought it in a block and then I cut it up. Check the screen on the left-hand side to see me cutting the paneer. Fry the paneer until it's golden brown. Make sure you keep an eye on it because it does burn quite easily. In the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once that heats up, add your diced onions. Add a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic. Let the onion cook through. You'll know it's ready for the next step when the onion has reduced in size and looks translucent. Add the can of chopped tomato and then stir it. Let it cook for a few minutes and then add your spices. You need to coat the onion with the spices and then add the pepper and the frozen peas. Mix well and then add half a cup of water and let it cook further, stirring in between so it doesn't burn. Now add half a cup of coconut milk. I actually ended up using the whole can because I love the creamy flavour. Wow, how amazing does it look already? Add the fried paneer. Now you need to let the curry simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then you're done. Now I'm plating the paneer up. We absolutely devoured this curry with some garlic naan. You can also have it with some rice, or you can even have it on its own as a starter. This curry was so easy and quick to make. I'm definitely going to be making it a lot more. This was my first time making it, by the way. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!